Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a Christmas greeting card with the cooling strips. As you can see, I draw all the greeting card setup. For that we need a greeting card that I printed Christmas and some strips. I'll tell you with the flower. We need 6 strips of 297 mm orange and 1 strip 3 mm wide and 150 mm length, and 3 strips of 150 mm red, 2 strips of yellow 150 mm to make a bell, 2 strips of 297 mm for bell, and that are round. We need 2 red strips of 297 mm and 1 blue strip, glue, cooling tool, tweezer, cutter and round die of 22 mm. So that's the stuff that we required. So I'll start making to all the stuff in the next step of the video. So let's get started friends to make that stuff together.